Good morning, I'm Gong Wai Ting. I'm here representing our project, which is Python-based classroom management system. Okay. The objective of this project are categorized into three sections, which is to achieve, to implement, and to design. Firstly, to achieve functionalities for both lecturer and student, to have an ability to manage their roles and responsibility in attendance, assignment, and class schedule, making it an organized and easy to use management system. As for the improvement, we aim to implement user authentication and section management. Other than that, database interaction for educational data, which includes integrated MySQL database for storing educational data, data retrieval, and updates. With rendering dynamic HTML templates, we hope to enhance user experience with organized presentation of assignment, attendance, and timetables. Lastly, we aim to achieve bootstrap integration and responsive design, which will have a mobile-friendly layout. We do implemented a navigation bar for easy access to different sections. Okay, let's move on to the conditional statement, if else, statement controlling the flow of execution based on conditions such as if, elif, and else statement in function like login and clock-in. Okay, beside that, function definition, defining function, statement defining functions such as dev user is login, dev login, dev assignment, and others. Beside that, the database queries interact with database. Statement executing SQL queries to interact with the database. Database queries in the provided code are primarily used to retrieve, update, or manipulate data stored in a MySQL database. Last, row decorator define URL rows. In Flux, row decorator are used to define the URL path that correspond to different views or function with a Flux application. Okay, let's move on to the troubleshooting. First of all, the problem that we meet is unable to establish a connection to the MySQL database. We solved by ensure that MySQL server was running, check MySQL configuration in the code, verify database credential, and install necessary dependency. Therefore, incorrect database configuration can lead to connection issue. Ensuring the MySQL server running is very crucial, and debugging tool like print statement help in identifying connection errors. So the next problem is the system wasn't accurately marking student as late. We solved by implementing logic to calculate time difference between attendance, start time, and current time. Use time delta object to represent 50 minutes and conditionally marks attendance as late if the time difference exceeds 50 minutes. Therefore, accurate time tracking is essential for attendance management. Throughout testing of time-based logic is necessary to ensure correctness. Handling time zone and daylight saving time challenge is important for global application. So, in conclusion, our project emphasizes teamwork, effective program design, and problem-solving skill. We succeed in creating a complex Python application with key features like attendance management and assignment subject submission, overcoming challenges through troubleshooting, improve our technical skill and collaboration abilities. Now I will show how to run together as a full functioning web application. So we need to open the Visual Studio Code and open the file that you want to run. Okay, and then need to type at the terminal to run the Python code. Okay. Now go to the local host and create the database. Import the SQL file. Okay, successful. Now we need to check the status, and now copy the link to open the web page. So as you can see, this is a login page. So because it's a example, so I will straight away take the data at the SQL database to log in. And this is the attendance page. So student can mark their attendance within the first 15 minutes of the class. Yeah, search. So the student can clock in and the record will in here. And this is the assignment page. So student can check and submit their course assignment status here. So for example, student can submit their assignment in here because this is a example. So I just write some word submit. So the center will turn to submit. And this is the timetable. So the student can check their timetable update here, such as subject, instructor, venue, or time slot. So we sign up and log into the lecture mail. This is a lecture attendance page. So lecturer can check the student attendance status here. And lecturer can mark the student attendance such as present and or absent. So if the lecturer click present, so the attendance status will turn to present. And this is the lecturer assignment page. So lecturer can check student assignment status here. Okay. Lecturer can give lecturer can check the student assignment in here and at here and give the grade to the student. If click pass, the student will turn to pass. And this is the lecture timetable. Lecturer can update their timetable at editing their timetable, such as subject ID or start date. Yeah, the venue update. Yeah, and also can delete the timetable or create the timetable. So sign out back to the login page. This is all my presentation. Thank you.